I'm excited to introduce you to RankBamboo. RankBamboo is an answer engine optimization platform, and it goes far beyond traditional SEO. It doesn't just tell you what to fix. It actually applies the fixes directly to your website. From AI visibility to website optimization, reporting, and updates, RankBamboo handles the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you how powerful this is. Here in the AI Optimization Hub, RankBamboo gives me clear recommendations on what needs to be implemented to get my website listed across AI models and positioned on top search results. Instead of manually fixing everything, I can simply click to apply the recommendations you're seeing here. Click on Apply to Homepage, and RankBamboo handles it instantly. I can also select any optimization suggestion and choose Auto Optimize. No technical work, no manual edits. Everything is done for me. That's how powerful RankBamboo is. Now, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. Here, RankBamboo shows me how my brand or website is performing across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. This means your brand can be visible across multiple AI models, not just Google. For example, with the brand Fashion Nova, you can see ChatGPT visibility at over 84%, Claude at 69%, and Gemini at 60%. But what does this really mean in practice? Let's test it. If I go to ChatGPT and ask, "Tell me more about Fashion Nova," ChatGPT immediately responds with accurate information about the brand, its industry, location, and identity. Now here's the real question. Can any AI models say this about your brand? If the answer is no, that's exactly where RankBamboo comes in. Why RankBamboo matters. Today, more people are moving away from traditional search engines. Instead of searching manually, users now ask AI models for recommendations, comparisons, and decisions. If your business isn't visible there, you're already falling behind. RankBamboo helps you position your brand where AI models are already making decisions. And that is why you need an account with RankBamboo to allow you quickly do all of this. Let me quickly show you how this journey starts. Everything begins by creating a project. Here, I'll name the project Fashion Nova. Enter the brand name. I enter the website URL, select the industry, choose relevant categories, and define the target market region. Then click Create Project. Once I do that, RankBamboo automatically generates the prompts AI models use to understand and recommend brands. Here, the keywords are automatically detected. If needed, I can edit or refine them at any time. And if for any reason these keywords don't fully cover my area of concern, I can easily adjust by clicking on Edit again. Click on Confirm Keyword to move on. Once confirmed, RankBamboo generates all the necessary prompts. In this case, over 23 AI prompts, which are also editable. All I need to do next is click on Run My First Scan to run a scan. Here the 23 prompts are saved. Click on Run New Scan to proceed. When I run a scan, RankBamboo checks how visible my brand is across AI models. It's going to generate a detailed report for us. In the background, you can see the results populating in real time as the scan runs. As ChatGPT completes its crawl, you'll notice some prompts still processing. Once that's done, you can easily switch and run the same scan on Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity. Over time, RankBamboo builds a complete AI visibility report for your brand or website. Next is the AI audit. What this does is check whether your website is LLM ready. We also have the LLM generator, which creates the instructions your website needs so large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity can clearly understand what your site is about, where to find key information, and how your content is structured. This makes it much easier for AI crawlers to recognize and list your website correctly. To get started, simply enter your website here and click Run Audit. RankBamboo audits things like LLMs.txt, robots.txt meta tags, and schema markup. If something is missing, RankBamboo flags it clearly. And when a fix is required, you'll notice that the issue has already been resolved here. Now, I want to switch to another project we worked on just a few hours ago. Less than 72 hours since we set it up in RankBamboo. You'll see some of the gaps RankBamboo identified for us on this project. And in under 48 hours, after applying just a few fixes, ChatGPT already started recognizing the brand. This really shows how powerful RankBamboo is. Let me quickly switch over to that project 10x rapid growth and add the website. At this point, we've completed 3 of the required fixes, and we're yet to address the LLMS part of this project. Let me quickly head back to the dashboard so you can see this clearly. This is a dashboard for 10x rapid growth, a project we started just a few hours ago, still well under 72 hours. Even within that short time frame, after applying just a few recommendations, you can already see the impact. ChatGPT has started recognizing the page, and the visibility score is already at 81%. And this is what that looks like in real life. When I ask ChatGPT, tell me about 10x rapid growth, you can see that it immediately recognizes a brand and is pulling this information directly from our website link. That right there shows you the real magic of RankBamboo. Now, let me go back to the AI audit to complete the remaining step. We're yet to fix the LLMS.txt. All I need to do is come over here, click on Generate LLMS.txt and hit Generate. And just like that, LLMS.txt is generated successfully. I can now copy this file or save it directly to my WordPress site. Once it's added, the LLMS setup is complete and the website is fully ready for AI models. This is exactly how RankBamboo delivers results: fast, simple, and incredibly powerful. Checking back on 10x rapid growth, you can see that our LLMS.txt has been successfully fixed. This means I can save it as the fix and have it ready. Of course, we also ensure that all recommendations are properly addressed, following the standards required to get your website or brand listed by AI models. Let's explore AI visibility. Here, all the relevant data is gathered in one place. You can see the visibility of your top brands, including key competitors in your industry. For the fashion apparel sector, this shows how your brand compares to others, along with a full set of prompts where your performance stands out. You can also view how other brands are mentioned across AI models. By toggling prompt performance, you can see your brand's ranking and visibility on each specific prompt. For example, for Fashion Nova, you can see performance metrics compared to the top 20 online fashion brands. Detailed analysis highlights key findings, showing areas where you are performing well and areas that need improvement. RankBamboo not only shows competitor activity, but also provides actionable insights into their strategies. To dive deeper, we can use Competitor Spy. Here, all your competitors' details are already available. You can add competitors by clicking Backfill Metrics. RankBamboo performs an in-depth analysis, giving you a comprehensive view of competitor performance and recommendations on what you need to do differently to outperform them. If you scroll down, you'll see additional metrics for RankBamboo, our top competitor. The overall performance shows a share of voice of 8.1% with over 6 mentions. By toggling keywords, you can view the terms they are performing well on. You can select any keywords or phrases to add to your key tracking keywords and monitor your project ranking. For a quick analysis, click Generate Insight to get AI-generated insights and recommendations based on competitor data. RankBamboo shows you exactly what your competitors are doing and how you can outperform them. So let's give some time and see what comes up. This has analyzed your competitors and generated insights. Here it says leverage your voice for Torrid. The next recommendation is to focus on replicating and enhancing this content with a unique value proposition. This is what really makes the strategy effective. We can also see further recommendations. This shows you exactly what your competitors did differently and how you can adopt a similar system, improve on it, and ultimately outrank them. We also have the content generated here. And from here we move over to the optimization hub, so you can truly appreciate what RankBamboo is doing using the content generator. When you come over to the optimization hub, this is what happens. RankBamboo takes all considerations, including your competitors' data and the opportunities available to you, and generates full optimization recommendations. You can see trending phrases, areas where visibility is low, and where you're already achieving about 50% share from optimization suggestions. You can also see additional suggestions around plus-size fashion. These are key phrases that are already performing well. Now, looking at trendy dresses online, the recommendation shows that this keyword appears in 0% of AI responses for your brand, meaning your brand is not mentioned. The recommendation is to optimize content so your brand can be included and mentioned for trendy dresses online, especially for Fashion Nova. The AI recommendations also highlight key features shoppers look for when searching for trendy dresses online. These include a range of lengths, breathable fabrics, stylish details, and versatile designs that can be dressed up or down. You also see popular styles and fabrics listed here. All of this information is already available, and when you scroll down, you can see the schema that has already been prepared for Fashion Nova. If your website is connected, you can apply these updates instantly. RankBamboo can push these changes directly to your website. Let me quickly switch projects to another one we worked on, so you can see how this works. Here you can see the recommendations provided. Once your website is connected for schema markup, which is already done here, all you need to do is click Apply to Homepage, and the schema is applied automatically. You can see that it has been updated successfully. This is why, when we ran the AI updates of the 10x Rapid Growth Project, those fixes were already applied. You also have FAQ schema for common questions. You can apply this with a single click to any target page you want to create an FAQ schema for. For example, you can apply it to the home page and the schema fix is completed correctly. RankBamboo does not just give recommendations and leave you to figure things out. It handles the entire heavy lifting for you. The same process applies when you need to apply other fixes. You can run further analysis. And when you move over to topic gaps, you'll see articles you can write about to improve visibility. In this case, there's an opportunity around influencer marketing for the connected project. The recommendation is to develop an influencer marketing strategy guide with templates, examples, and best practices. To create this content, all you need to do is click Generate Content. This takes you directly to the content generator with the exact keywords and key phrases needed. You can also return to the Optimization Hub and explore topic gaps further. Topic gaps clearly highlight subjects you should cover to improve visibility. If you want to explore influencer marketing further, you can click Explore Topic and then Extract Topics. Here, RankBamboo extracts 27 topics along with their visibility data. When you scroll down, you can see topics like live marketing workshops, content marketing, and social media. You can choose any topic you want to work on. For example, if you select Content Marketing Strategy, you get an overview of the topic. You can see ChatGPT visibility, the number of mentions, and related topics. If you leave it for some time, RankBamboo will also generate trend analysis for that topic. You can view related topics and open any of them inside the content generator. If you click Open Generator Content, RankBamboo builds the content for you. For example, Content Marketing Strategy. You can choose a content type, such as a how-to guide. You can set the tone to authoritative, because AI models look for expertise and authority in content. You can keep the content length medium, set the language to English, and generate FAQs because AI models favor FAQ sections. Once you click Generate Content, the content is created seamlessly. You can see the full answer engine optimized content, including the outline, schema already set up, and citations. You can copy the content, download it as a document or PDF, and publish it directly on your site. RankBamboo also supports shopping visibility. This applies if you run a Shopify store or an e-commerce site. You can add products and improve AI shopping visibility directly inside RankBamboo. For example, in the Fashion Nova project, you can add a product by entering the product name and URL. In this case, we added a product under $5. You can select a category or leave it blank, then click Add Product. The system refreshes automatically and lists the product. You can then run a scan. RankBamboo performs an in-depth scan of your entire store structure and tracks product visibility. In this case, one product is being tracked with about 25% visibility. As you scroll down, you can see product queries, shopping trends, and visibility opportunities. You can refresh the data at any time to see updated performance. RankBamboo also includes traditional SEO ranking features. This allows your website to remain visible on Google search. You can run website optimization and website audits directly from the platform. Make sure your website is integrated by importing your sitemap or connecting Google Search Console. You can also install the RankBamboo WordPress plugin, which allows automatic fixes from your dashboard. Once connected, you can go to Website Optimization, add your URL, and scan the page. You can then click Auto Optimize, and RankBamboo applies the fixes automatically without manual work. You can also run a website audit. If you haven't audited before, click New Audit and enter your website URL. RankBamboo generates a detailed report showing missing meta descriptions, low content ratio, missing image alt text, and overall website health. Initially, the website health may be around 50%. When you apply the fixes, such as optimizing pages directly from the dashboard, the page is optimized successfully and the changes are applied to your website. You can repeat this process for other pages, including your thank you page. As more pages are optimized, website health improves from 50% to close to 80%. Issues like missing meta descriptions are resolved automatically. Remaining issues may include content ratio and missing image alt text, which you can fix to reach 100% optimization. RankBamboo also includes keyword research and keyword tracking. You can search for keywords like content marketing strategies in US English and view performance data, such as cost per click, top results, difficulty level, and monthly search volume. You can analyze top-performing content and create your own content around it. With the keyword tracker, you can add multiple keywords or phrases and track how they perform over time. You can see which keywords drive traffic, what products or pages attract visitors, and review historical performance. Once Google Search Console is connected, you can see clicks, impressions, and performance data directly inside RankBamboo. Finally, you can generate answer engine optimization reports. You can toggle between executive summary, data analytics, or client reports. Once generated, reports can be downloaded, and you can also view detailed analytics templates. RankBamboo also provides SEO reports showing keyword performance, page performance, and overall SEO health. This all-in-one tool allows you to optimize your site, track performance, and generate reports, ensuring your business is visible to AI models and search engines alike. And that's how RankBamboo helps you optimize your website, track keywords, generate content, and improve AI and search engine visibility, all from one powerful platform. Go ahead, apply these strategies to your site, and watch your visibility grow. See you inside.